Very good. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, as you all know that we have already started our chapter number 5. It's related with which topic, my dear students? Does it look the same? What are we learning in this chapter? Please
Mirror
answer.
image.
Yes, we are going
Ma'am,
to
doing
learning
half or something.
mirror image, mirror halves. Yes, not half of something. We are learning mirror images. Exact mirror
Ma'am,
images.
do we
Half.
need textbook right now?
Yes, we need textbook. So I request everyone to open page number 77. I request everyone to open page number 77. Tuisha, Jahan Agarwal, Megdad, Vivan Balchandani, turn on your cameras, please. Turn on your camera, please.
70, ma'am. Which number? Page number?
77. Kevna,
Okay,
2
ma'am.
minutes late. Students, please join class on time. Mohit, 2 minutes late. So everyone open this page number which is there on my screen. Half a turn. Once there was we are going to learn what is half a turn, what is turn, what is rotation. Once there was a king, he was upset because thieves kept stealing costly jewels from his locker. Here is what the locker looked like. The locker could be opened by giving his handle half a turn, another half a turn, and then the locker would be locked again. The king would often leave the locker open, thinking it was locked. Can you guess the reason? Because you can see it from all the sides it's looking same. When he is locking the locker and he's thinking that he is locked, but every time he keep his locker open. Can you think and tell me why it is happening? Students, think and tell me why this is happening. Yes, Dhairya. Please tell me why this is happening. Why he always keeps
Ma'am,
the locker.
because he is rolling it 2 times.
Okay. And anyone else? Yes, Kevna.
Yes, ma'am. Because he is doing half a turn too. That makes a full, and it has alternate colors now
Okay.
every time.
Okay. Then Ayush.
Ma'am, this happens because maybe he does 2 half turns, or maybe when he does half a turn, open the locker, takes what he
Hmm.
wants, and then
Hmm.
closes it, and then goes away, but sees that, oh, the locker is locked. Okay, the locker locked and unlocked looks the same. You can
Okay.
even see that in the
So
picture.
what do you understand by the half a turn, full
Half
turn,
a turn,
one fourth turn?
half a turn is like ऐसा, from
How?
this to this.
Okay. Now I am going
Like
to explain you about
half
turns.
a turn means 180 degree, no?
Very good.
This
Who told this
this is
answer?
the card.
Very good. And please, Migdad, Jahan, Agarwal, Mohit, turn on your cameras, please. Karnav,
Excuse me,
turn on
ma'am.
your
Ma'am, this is
cameras.
Ma'am, I am at my sister house. That's what is network issues.
Okay. Arna Agarwal, you joined 5 minutes late, bacha. We have already started the chapter. Okay, now listen here, Rudra Jajaria. What you are trying to show me something? You want to show me? Rudra, I'm asking, no, na? Okay. Suppose I am holding this. This is what in my hand? What it is in my hand? Scissor.
Caesar.
Scissor. Children, when we do a complete rotation of any object, it will go in a what? It will go in a suppose if I complete rotate it completely, it makes what?
360 degrees.
And
360 degree.
Complete
360
angle.
degree.
Complete
Three,
angle.
Ma'am,
very
this
good. And
chapter is on symmetry.
yes, and 360 degree is make complete. Which figure it makes when it is 360 degree? When if I around its circle. Yes, complete angle. Complete angle makes how many degrees? 360 degrees.
60.
360 degrees. Suppose this is a circle. Complete 360 degree makes the circle. And I am holding the here. And this 4 parts I have
180
done.
degree.
4 parts I have done. I am see, if I move anything this side, the same way as the clock moves. जैसे clock move करता है ना, अगर उस side में if I move any object, it means clockwise I am moving.
And ma'am, if we move
And if I'm
by this side,
opposite
it is called
side,
anti-clockwise.
it's called anti-clockwise.
Each part is 90 degree.
Yes, and each part is 90 degree. +90 +90 +90 makes 360 degree. So for example, if I do 1/4 turn clockwise, 1/4 if I'm holding this scissor, for example here, and if I do a
90 degree.
it will be 90 degree, and you can see the image will also change. You can see the picture is also changing when I'm turning. Yes or no, students?
Yes, ma'am.
And if I do half a turn, half a turn, it is like this.
180 degree.
180 degree. And 3/4 turn. Now 3 quarters come. No, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. 3/4. You can see the image is like this. And again, if coming on the full, the image is coming like
360.
360. So this other movement is like, this movement is like clockwise. If I go reverse of this, I am holding this, 1/4 turn is this way, and half a turn this way, 3/4 here, and the full here. Got it? Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Same way this happens with the letters, this happens with the alphabets also. For example, if I am writing letter A, and if I move to the quarter turn clockwise, so the letter A will become like this.
Yeah, ma'am.
And if I do a half a turn of letter A, see, quarter will be like this, half will be like this, 3/4 will be
270 degree.
like this. Yes, 270 degree. Very good. 3/4 will be like this, and again the full like this. So you can check when we rotate any letter, any numbers, the images also change, but sometimes it don't change. I tell you, there are some letters like H, I, there are 7 letters. If there are 7 letters at half a turn, they will not change. Half a turn जब भी इन H का करेंगे, T का करेंगे, I, sorry, not T, that is H, I, N, O, S, X, Z. You can check also कि half a turn में इनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, they remain the same. If H I am writing like this and it goes to the half a turn, it also like this again. So you can see H letter is not changing when on the half a turn. When comes the I is like this, and if I do half a turn of I, it is not changing. Then is N. If I'm writing N like this here, and if it turns like this, then also it like this. So again, you can see the N is also looking same. Yes or no? Yes, students. Samriddhi, Nishika, Arna, Karna.
Yes.
You can't turn on your camera, please. Mohit, turn on your camera. Vivan.
Ma'am, I can't understand when I can understand when we are doing clockwise, but I can't understand when we are doing anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise का उल्टा. This way. Clock की सुई कैसे घूमती है ना, ऐसे. So start from here and start from 12, then 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you go anti-clockwise, then the 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 6. This is anti-clockwise.
Yes, ma'am. I can.
Your mic is mute, bacha.
Yes, ma'am. I can understand that.
Again, it is mute.
I can understand this, but I can't understand that. You have teachers now. A1, this
See, I am showing you again this example. What is in my hand?
car.
A car.
A card. Okay. If I do half a turn, how it will look like?
Ma'am, it will be like this.
It will be like this. On half a sorry. On quarter turn, it will be like this.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Half
Now
a turn,
like
it will
this.
be like this.
Yes, ma'am. Now like
Three
this.
quarter turn, it will be like this.
Yeah.
And full turn again, it will be like this.
Like
Yes, ma'am. It again
And
came on
now,
its
if I am
place.
taking anti-clockwise, so this is the quarter turn.
Yeah.
This is the half turn.
Yeah.
Three quarter turn. And this is full
Yeah.
turn.
Yeah.
the same.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Samriddhi, you have any objects? Can you show us how you can rotate the objects?
Yes, ma'am. I can.
Ma'am, I also want to know.
Now I will give you the instructions. Migdad, turn on your camera, please. Daksh Patel, turn on your camera. Vivan Balchandani, turn on your camera. Yes, Samriddhi is holding something in her hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm holding a bottle.
Bottle. If you, yeah, you
It's
explain.
half a turn.
This
It's
is not
half
half turn. No, this is not half turn. This is quarter turn.
Ma'am, can I show you?
Wait a minute.
And this.
Huh. This and then it comes to the 90 degree. Then it is quarter turn.
Quarter turn.
Then
Now,
Can I show you?
can I show you?
why do you let her complete? Let her complete. Half a turn. And then three quarter turn.
3/4. And this.
And then full. Again it coming on its original position on the full. After completing 360 degree angle. Yes, Vivan Balchandani, please go. Yes,
Ma'am, can
anyone
I show
else?
you?
Yes,
Ma'am,
Anushka.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Anushka, then Priya, then Dhairya, I will give you. Yes, very good.
Ma'am,
Explain us.
Ma'am, now it is 90 degree.
This is for quarter turn. Yeah.
Now it is 3/4
Yes.
and it is 360 degree.
Very good. Now next,
And
Priya. Priya.
Ma'am, see this object, if we move it in half a turn, then it will also look the same.
Yes, very good. Can you please show us? Can you please show everyone? Yes, students, check this. Priya is showing. Even if you do half a turn of this object, you are holding how? Yes, first show us the full turn, then quarter turn,
Quarter turn,
then half a turn.
half
You
turn.
can check, students, on the half a turn, the upside down round part is coming same again. It looks same. Yes, very good. Next. Yes, Khevna, then Dhairya.
Yes, ma'am. This is a pen.
Yes.
Quarter turn, half turn, quarter turn, and then
Three-quarter turn. Three-quarter turn.
3/4 turn. And
After half a turn, no, three-quarter will come. And
okay,
then
ma'am.
yes.
I have a cool fact to tell you. If you turn, if you swim down on any surface and then upside down, then put it upside down, then it will say swims only.
Yes, we will come on that words also. Sometime it will not change. That is why this king become confused, because it is coming same from all the sides. So he has to mark something. Yes, to identify that at what time it is we are able to lock the locker or when we are not able. So you can see in the textbook, after some time he will after practicing a lot, then he mark a dot, and then he is able to see that whether it is locked. Dhyanshili, you're joining now. It is very late, bacha. 15 minutes late. Yes, Dhairya. Yes, Dhairya. Can you please explain?
Look,
Yes.
I have a keychain. If I turn like this, it will be quarter turn.
You have a keychain. It's not visible properly, bacha. Yeah.
Visible, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Yes.
So if now it is quarter turn,
Hmm.
then it is half turn,
This.
then it is a three-quarter turn,
Hmm.
and then it is a full turn.
Full turn. So there are some objects, even if they turn, they are not showing any difference. But there are some objects, when we turn them, there is a difference. For example, if I'm holding a marker in my hand, if I do a quarter turn, you can see the blue part is coming towards the right side and the white is coming left. And when I'm doing half a turn, you can see the blue part is coming down and the white is going up. When I'm doing three-quarter turn, the blue part is coming towards the left and white is going towards the right. And when again I'm doing the full turn, the blue part is coming on its original position up and the white is coming down. So here we can identify, because we have the marks that here is the blue part and here is the white part. But wait, I want to show you something where I have no marks, but here also I have marks. But if suppose the pencil is completely pink, will you able to identify clearly which is the upper part and which is the down part
No, ma'am.
when it rotates?
No,
No,
ma'am.
no. But here is the gray part is also there, the pink is also there, so you can identify that which is the upper part, and when we rotate, the position also change. But here, when we were reading about the textbook page number, here the king was confused because all the sides and all the colors are, and the pattern is also same. So he was confused whether he is locking the cupboard or no. And sometimes he keep his locker without locking it. So and he can see that many times thieves are coming and taking his things. So now what happened is, one day his clever daughter gave him an idea which he liked very much. Now he never got confused. Can you guess what the idea was? By looking in the
Yes,
textbook,
ma'am.
can you guess?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
was the idea, students?
Ma'am, the idea was that
She put a circle at the locker.
Yes, he put the
no,
dot
ma'am.
of
What
black
happened? She put a dot, so when it opened, the dot will come up.
come up.
And when it
Yes,
is closed, it come down. So it is locked.
down. Yes, this is the idea his daughter gave him. The king daughter asked the king to put a dot on one of the yellow blades. The king had many such lockers with different handles. Check if on giving them half a turn he can get confused with these two. So then he
Yes,
started
ma'am.
making so that he started. See, he has many same kind of lockers, and where he always get confused. So he has started making the dots in them. So upside where there is a dot means it's locked, and when it is coming down on the half a turn, it's locked. Yes. Now come to the shapes also. Same after half a turn. Guess which of these shape below would look the same after half a turn. So if there is a square, it will change, students.
Yeah. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
It will remain same. And when there is a rectangle, it will change to the half a turn.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then circle, it will change.
No, ma'am, but rectangle will change. I mean, cylinder will change.
And triangle also will change.
Yeah.
Then hexagon or
No, ma'am, it will not change.
triangle, you can see the point part will come down when it is half a turn. Students,
Yes, ma'am.
when you drawing a triangle like this, the pointer is up. And when you are doing half a turn, pointer is coming down.
Yes.
Yes?
Ma'am, rectangle will not
How will
change.
the
Rectangle will not change. Square will not change. Circle will also not change.
Ma'am, rectangle will change.
No, Sakshi.
Ma'am, if we give rectangle like this, it will
If it
become
is like this, it will like this.
Yeah, ma'am, but look, if it is like this, then it will become straight. Then it will turn right.
Yes. But the shape remains the same as the rectangle, right?
Yeah. No, ma'am, it becomes like cylinder.
No,
Wait.
ma'am.
Ma'am, the rectangle in a half a turn will not change, right? Because ma'am, because in the rectangle when it will be 180 degree, so it will not be in straight. It will still be in sleeping.
Ma'am, your mic is mute.
When you look here, when I'm showing you the page numbers, see, half a turn means completely. See, ulta kar denge, so it will look remains the same. Circle will also be same. Then again, this also will be same. Triangle will not be same. Hexagon will remains the. Students, am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Hexagon will remains the same. Now, what about the pentagon?
Ma'am, it will not remain the same because it
No,
has
it
a
will
point on the
not.
top
Again,
but doesn't on the
yes,
bottom.
again the pointer is coming and which will come down. You can check here on the half a turn. It will not remain the same.
Yeah, ma'am, it is not proper.
Do you find it difficult to tell? If yes, then there is a way to check your guess. Here is how you can do it. Take any of the shape, trace its outline on the sheet of paper. Now keep the sheet on its routine and give half a turn. See if shape is changed or not outline. So this you can try at home. Now I am showing you with the, wait, I'm going to present the another. Now practice time. Come on the next page number. Now find out which letter in the English alphabet look the same after half a turn. Children, can you tell me which letter look the same after half a turn? H. Yes, as I
H
told
look
you,
like I.
H, as I already written on the board, I have mentioned you H I N O S X Z. These are the English alphabet letters will remain the same. If you want to write, you can write. These are the English alphabet, and please try this when you write them. Please try these. These are the English alphabet which remains the same after half a turn also. Yes or no, students? Now, there are some words given here. Which of these English words reads the same on half a turn? Can you tell me? Try. Try, students. Zoom.
Yeah, ma'am.
Try the zoom. Move, swims. Half a turn pe, how they look like? Are they you able to read them properly?
Ma'am, swim will be same.
Swim will be same. Can you say SIS? Because S, I and S, I have already given you these letters. SIS will look same on half a turn. Yes or no, students?
And noon also.
And noon also. And what about zoom?
And sis. Yes,
Zoom.
ma'am. It will pronounce zoom.
Washroom.
But we can see it.
Zoom will be, yes, please go. Zoom will be written as same.
Ma'am, it will not be written as same. It will become boot.
Yes, Priya also telling something. Yes, Priya?
I'm saying the same thing.
It will be written as how?
It will look like WOOZ.
WOOZ. Can you please try this? How it will look like? WOOZ. It will look like, right? Give half a turn to the numbers from 0 to 9. Now give the half a turn to the numbers. So you can see noon will be same, sis will be same, swims will be same, move will be same, and this will become moose on half a turn. It will look like this on half a turn.
And look like
Yes?
M is look not like.
No, no. M and W are not look like. So don't get yourself confused in M and W के उल्टे दिखते हैं, ऐसा नहीं होगा. Okay. Now with the numbers, you can check with the numbers also 0, 1, 2, 3, and you can check on half a turn में कौन से numbers उल्टे दिखते हैं. We can see here. You can check here. Please write also some letters on half a turn पे वो कैसे दिखते हैं. So from this, can you guess which number is same on half a turn?
3.
8 and 0. No, 3 is not same.
8 and 0.
9 and 6.
8 and 0.
Ma'am,
Yes.
9 and 6.
9 and
See.
6 also.
9, 6, 8, 0.
See, wait a minute. Let me check. 9 is looking how. I will show you here on the my board also. Please write these numbers. Please write.
Ma'am, 3.
Please write these numbers. I'm showing you on the board also. Wait.
Can you show again that?
Take out your notebook, everyone. If I'm writing, first we do with the letters A. On the quarter turn, A will look like this. And on the half turn, A will look like this. This is quarter turn, this is half a turn. Then again go to the B. If on quarter turn, the B will look like this. And on half a turn, the B will look like this. Same way you can do with different letters. J. On quarter turn, J will look like this. And on half a turn, J will look like this.
Ma'am, we have to do that with all the numbers and letters.
Yes, practice with all the numbers and letters. So you can check which are similar or which are not. I am just giving you few examples.
What should we write in the title?
Turning of letters and turning of alphabets. Turning of alphabets or letters you can write, and then with the turning of numbers also. I will tell you with the numbers also now. First write down fast. Are you all writing?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
If I write till Z also, is it okay?
Yeah, you can after the class complete all the letters and write them half a turn and quarter turn कि कैसे दिखते हैं वो. It is your practice. So, okay, can I erase it now? Can I go with the numbers?
Page number 79.
Yes, we are on page number 79.
Ma'am, exercise number?
3 and 4 we are doing. No practice time.
Okay, ma'am.
And children, tomorrow make this windmill. The instructions are already given on the page number 81. According to this, take the paper, make this windmill and bring it into the class tomorrow. Okay, students, this is your activity. Make this windmill according to
today's homework.
Today's homework I will send in the classroom.
Ma'am, can you say the page number, please?
81.
Okay.
The instructions are given already on the page number that how to make the windmill. Please make the windmill and bring it tomorrow in the class. This is your activity. And you all know that on the basis of activity also you to be graded. So please, I request everyone to do the activities. Now I'm going to do with the numbers. And children, I am giving you these letters H, I, N, O, S, X, Z. Please try them on the half a turn. Are they looking same on half a turn? So please write these 7 letters because these 7 letters will look same on half a turn. Please try to write them on the half a turn and do this. Okay? Now we go do with the numbers. If I'm giving you 3, 6, 9, please write it's half a turn, quarter turn and half a turn.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can I tell you something? The H and I, when we do the quarter turn, the H looks like an I and the I looks like a H.
No. Yes. Let me do on the quarter turn. No, it will look like this I, and the H will be look like this on the quarter turn. But I am talking about on the half turn.
Yeah,
on half turn they will be same.
Yeah, but I'm telling that they will look like H will look like I and the I will look like H.
No, but yeah, it is if you are looking like from straight. But if you see, understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, this way you are telling, right?
Yes.
Yes. If you visualize this, that this will look like H and this will look like I. But on half a turn, there's all the letters will look same. Now with the, please do the quarter turn of 3 and the half turn of 3. Quarter turn of 6, half turn of 6. Samriddhi, now you understood how to turn and how to see rotation? Yes. So you can see on quarter turn, the 3 will be like this. And on half a turn, the 3 will be like this. Then 6. On quarter turn, the 6 will be like this. And on half a turn, the 6 will be like this. 9. On quarter turn, the 9 will be like this. And on half a turn, the 9 will be like this. So this way you can check the letters and the numbers, how they look different on the different turns. Please write this.
Ma'am, in numbers, the 1 will also look same.
1 will look same. 0 will look same.
Yes. Eight.
Yes, 8 will also look like same. Very good, Anya. So you can check here. 8. And then we can see 0. 1 will look same because 1 is not represent here. So now we can see, think of all the 2, 3 and 4 digit numbers which look the same on half a turn. So you think and please write here and tell me tomorrow. Now if we see digit 1, 1, 11 and 88 will be same. So 1, 1 is already given for you. So you need to write 2 digit more numbers which look same on half a turn. 1 is already given example to you, 88. Then 3 digit number 101 will be same, 11 will be same, 181 will be same, 808 will be same, 88 will be same because 810 you can repeat and make the more 3 digit and 4 digit numbers. Understood everyone? Use 0, 1, 8 because these numbers look same on half a turn. So use these numbers and make the 3 digit number and the 4 digit numbers. Clear? Will you able to do this practice on page number 79? Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So today I am going to send you the worksheet based on today's concept. And please make a windmill. This is your today's activity. I will put in the activity folder that you have to do page number 81 activities. See, Samriddhi already started making. Very good, Samriddhi. You did just now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bring it tomorrow and put a stick also so that you can easily rotate it. And we
Yes,
can
ma'am.
see how it rotates, how it changes. Thank you, students, for your today's class.
Bye,
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, when are you going to send the marks